What's up, guys? Big Hurt 35 doing the country draw for soccer. 2014 Panini Prizm World Cup FIFA. 14 spots, so everybody's gonna get 2. We're gonna run the randomizer twice, well, 3 times. Once for the names, once for tier 1, and once for tier 2. So get everybody in here. There you go. Yeah, I can overnight. It'd be a little more expensive than normal. Let's see here. Is everybody in the break right here? I'll talk to you about that in a minute. Gem and cards. Pop everybody in here. We'll randomize this list. Then we'll randomize this list. This is tier 1, all the autos. Okay. And then this list, we'll do one more random, is for all the non-auto spots. And we'll do that one third. Okay. You can hit this button 2 times. That's how many times we'll randomize both lists. Okay. 1 and oops, got this bar in the recording. 2. Did it go? No. 2, 6, 4, 10. Going 10 times. So good luck. Again, here's everybody in the break. Going 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There you go. Sammy on bottom, Weibo on top. Put you guys right here in O. It's a little big. There you go. 10 times on tier 1, and then we'll go 10 times again on tier 2. We'll put we'll put tier 1 right here, and then we'll put in this column. We'll put tier 2 in this column, so it'll match up next to your names. Just move that out because this will end up being pretty big. Ten times. Good luck. 1, 2, 'It's not gonna let me do it. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There we go. Got Brazil on bottom, Argentina on top. See that? Put you right here. Okay. And then we'll do number 2 right here. Where's my go button? Randomize. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There it is. Russia on bottom, Australia on top. Move this over a little bit so you guys can see it. And there's your squads. Argentina, Weibo. Australia, Croatia, J. Schultz. Italy, Korea, Chuppy. England, Ghana, Angry Tad. Spain, Bosnia, Chuppy. Cameroon, Chile. Switzerland, Sammy. Mexico, Honduras, Angry Tad. Belgium and Uruguay. And Costa Rica. Weibo, USA and Greece. Captain Willis, 123, had Colombia and Algeria. The Hoff, Portugal and Iran. I was wrong, Germany, Japan. Griff, Netherlands, Ecuador. Chuppy, France, Ivory Coast, and Nigeria. And Sammy had Brazil and Russia. So there you go, guys. Give you a couple minutes if you wanted to do any kind of trading.